We'll guide you through how to use Zapier for business automation effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to zapier.com, log in, or create an account if you don't have one yet. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the Zapier dashboard. Here, you can start creating your first Zap, which is an automated workflow that connects two or more apps. To start, click on the Create Zap button. You'll be asked to choose a trigger app. This is the app where your automation starts. For instance, if you want to automate your email response, you might choose Gmail as your trigger app. Follow the prompts to set the trigger event, such as New Email Received. Next, connect your account by following the authentication steps. Zapier will guide you through this, ensuring your accounts are securely linked. Now, you need to set an action app. This is where the automation will perform the next step. For example, if you want to send an alert to Slack whenever you receive an email, choose Slack as your action app. Define the action event, like Send Channel Message, and again, connect your Slack account. You can add more steps if needed, creating complex workflows that save you time and reduce manual tasks. Once you've set everything up, make sure to test your Zap to ensure it works as expected. Zapier will usually provide a test option to simulate the trigger and action. Finally, give your Zap a name and turn it on. You'll see it listed in your dashboard, where you can manage all your Zaps. Remember, Zapier provides a vast library of apps to connect, so the possibilities for automation are nearly endless. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.